for your interest in this project. To protect against the spread of COVID-19, we are providing project information in a virtual format for your review and input. All meeting materials, including a handout, comment form, and project contact information, are posted on the Design Project website. Welcome to the online public involvement meeting for Project Design ID 1022-0804/74 along I-94 between Wisconsin 312, County EE, and the Chippewa River Bridge in Eau Claire County. The Wisconsin Department of Transportation Northwest Region project team consists of Nicole Pasuelo, who is the project supervisor, Stacy Lambell, who is the project manager, and Aaron Christ, who is the design engineer. The presentation will follow the outline shown here. First, discussing the project location. Second, the purpose and need of the project. Third, the proposed design improvements. Fourth, the construction schedule. Fifth, proposed traffic staging. Sixth, real estate. And finally, ending with the contact information and how you can provide us with your input. The proposed project on Interstate 94 begins near the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange in the Eau Claire County town of Union and heads east for approximately 5.6 miles to the Chippewa River Bridge. Interstate 94 is an important part of Wisconsin's transportation system. It is part of the national highway system and is classified as a principal arterial route. I-94 serves as a truck route, which includes the movement of oversized, overweight loads for freight in this part of the state and serves local commuters and businesses throughout northwestern Wisconsin. It also provides a critical link to the state of Minnesota. The department's objective is to ensure safe and efficient operations of the interstate highway system while also supporting local access. The primary need for the project is the condition of the pavement. This segment of Interstate 94 was built in the mid-1960s, and its pavement is nearing the end of its service life. The last asphaltic overlay was completed in 2015. There is cracking and rutting throughout the project limits due to the poor underlying concrete. In addition, the bridge on the Wisconsin 312 County EE overpass over I-94 is deteriorating. Pavement improvements are recommended to keep traffic moving safely and efficiently along I-94. A pavement replacement alternative is proposed along the section from Wisconsin 312 County EE to County E, as additional asphaltic pavement overlays are no longer a cost-effective solution for this piece of the corridor. A pavement replacement alternative best addresses the needs of this section while balancing the long-term investment into the roadway system. The existing alignment, the number of travel lanes, and the existing interchange configuration are all proposed to match that of the existing. The vertical profile of I-94 is proposed to be lowered under the Wisconsin 312 County EE overpass to provide vertical clearance that meets current standards. The section of I-94 from County C to the Chippewa River Bridge will have the concrete base layer patched, and the asphalt pavement will be milled and overlaid with 4.5 inches of asphalt pavement. The proposed improvements for the Interstate 94 corridor include placing new concrete pavement along I-94 between Wisconsin 312, County EE, and County E, and milling and resurfacing the existing interstate with new asphalt from County C to the Chippewa River Bridge. In addition, the mainline asphalt shoulder pavement marking and shoulder rumble strips will be replaced, high-tension median cable barrier will be installed, and guardrail and deteriorated culverts will be replaced as needed. Work at the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange includes improvements to the Wisconsin 312 County EE bridge and roadway. It also will include improvements to the southeast ramp, southwest ramp, and the southwest loop. Work on the northwest ramp, the westbound I-94 on-ramp, will not be included in this project. The improvements to the Wisconsin 312 County EE structure include replacement of the joints at each end of the bridge, curb repair and replacement, and a concrete deck overlay. The Wisconsin 312 County EE roadway will have the asphalt pavement replaced from the southwest ramp, which is the eastbound I-94 on-ramp, to the southeast ramp, which is the westbound I-94 exit ramp. On the southwest quadrant of the interchange, the southwest ramp pavement will be replaced with new concrete pavement. The length of the on-ramp will be increased from approximately 500 feet to 1,220 feet. This acceleration lane will be built as a parallel acceleration lane instead of a taper as it is currently built. A parallel acceleration lane will allow vehicles to gain speed before entering into the main lanes of interstate traffic. Also in the southwest quadrant is the southwest loop or the eastbound I-94 exit ramp. This ramp also will be replaced with new concrete. This exit ramp will be reconstructed from a tapered exit ramp to a parallel exit ramp. This type of design will allow vehicles to completely exit the main lanes of interstate traffic while decelerating. The southeast ramp, which is the westbound I-94 exit ramp, will be replaced with new concrete also. In addition, this ramp will have a right turn lane added for vehicles turning onto Wisconsin 312. The southeast ramp will also have the deceleration lane modified from a tapered lane to a parallel exit lane, which once again is to allow vehicles to exit the main interstate lanes sooner while decelerating. The project is currently scheduled to begin in the spring of 2022. The following work will be completed during this construction season. The first operation will be to build temporary crossovers and complete temporary widening, which will accommodate traffic during the pavement replacement operations. The concrete on the westbound interstate lanes and the southeast interchange ramp at Wisconsin 312 County EE will be replaced, and the lane changes on the southeast ramp will be built. In addition, the east and westbound interstate lanes from County C to the Chippewa River Bridge will be milled and resurfaced. On Wisconsin 312 County EE, the joints in the Wisconsin 312 County EE bridge over I-94 will be replaced, and the deck will be overlaid with concrete. And finally, the asphalt pavement on Wisconsin 312 County EE and the concrete curb and gutter will be removed and replaced. The work planned for 2023 is to replace both lanes of eastbound I-94, the southwest ramp, and the southwest loop with new concrete pavement. To wrap up the project, the temporary crossovers will be removed and restoration work will be finished. Stage 1 of the project is planned to begin in the spring of 2022, during which the temporary median crossovers and temporary widening of I-94 will be constructed. 4 lanes of traffic will be maintained with single lane closures during non-peak volume times. Stage 2 will begin after Labor Day in the fall of 2022 and be completed by late October. The westbound I-94 lanes from Wisconsin 312 County EE to County E and the southeast ramp will be replaced during this stage. Traffic will run 1 lane each way, counter-directional on the eastbound lanes. There will be a mandatory truck detour in place from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Fridays and on Sundays. Eastbound trucks will also be allowed to exit at the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange, which is exit 59, during this stage. Stage 3 operations are the concrete pavement replacement of the eastbound I-94 lanes from the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange to County E, the southwest loop, and the southwest ramp at the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange. This work is currently planned to begin in April of 2023 and be completed prior to Memorial Day weekend. Traffic during this stage will be run 1 lane counter-directional on the westbound lanes. There will be a mandatory truck detour from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Fridays and on Sundays. Eastbound trucks will also be allowed to exit at the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange, which is exit 59, during this stage. During the pavement replacement stages, there will be a mandatory truck traffic detour on Wisconsin 29 East to US 53 South. Eastbound trucks will have access to the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange at exit 59. The truck detour will be in effect during the fall of 2022 after Labor Day until late October, while the westbound concrete pavement is replaced. The hours of this detour will be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Fridays and on Sundays. This detour will also be in effect in the spring of 2023 from mid-April to Memorial Day weekend. The eastbound concrete pavement is scheduled to be replaced at this time. Once again, the hours of this detour will be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Fridays and on Sundays. Eastbound trucks will also be allowed to exit at the Wisconsin 312 County EE interchange at exit 59. The remaining work will be completed using single lane closures. This includes the milling and resurfacing of the east and westbound interstate lanes from County C to the Chippewa River Bridge, the bridge joint replacement and deck overlay on the Wisconsin 312 County EE bridge, and the asphalt pavement replacement on Wisconsin 312 County EE. This is currently scheduled to be completed during the 2022 construction season. The work required for the proposed improvements is anticipated to be performed within the existing highway right-of-way. The right-of-way fencing is proposed to be replaced in spot locations where needed. If the fencing holds livestock, we ask that you please contact the Wisconsin DOT project manager as provided at the end of this presentation. Her contact information also is available on the project website. Coordination for fencing replacement will occur with you during construction. The current project schedule is outlined here. Final plans are scheduled for delivery by May of 2021, with construction scheduled between spring 2022 and summer 2023. Depending on funding, this project could be delayed to a spring 2023 start with a summer 2024 completion. The proposed improvements for this I-94 project, as well as the preliminary construction staging and a project handout containing all of the details in addition to this presentation, are located on the project website as shown on this slide. You can seek this website out by also going to the Wisconsin DOT webpage, selecting Projects and Studies, going to Highway Projects and Studies, and selecting Northwest, then Projects and Design, Construction Scheduled, and then the link for the Eau Claire County project, I-94, Wisconsin 312 to Wisconsin 37, Town of Union. Thank you for your participation in this very important project. We look forward to receiving any questions or input you may have. We request that you provide comments by November 23rd, 2020. You can do that in a number of ways, either via written comment form, which is part of the project handout available on the project website, or you may also simply email comments to the project manager. Thank you for your participation, and we look forward to hearing from you.